assistance that will be granted.
I understand this is only for Bugo. There are also neighboring municipalities that suffered casualties. Huh? Am I correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And am I also correct to say that you have proposed the supplemental budget of 47 million?
Yes, Your Honor. It was admitted last day, Your Honor.
So that there are available funds except that these are yet to be appropriated.
Yeah, yes, partly, Your Honor, but the submitted supplemental budget, Your Honor, does not include any burial assistance, Your Honor.
Precisely, can you not increase the proposed financial assistance to the city government of Surigao to the victims of the calamity in Cebu by allocating a portion of your 47 million?
Your Honor, the part of the 47 million, Your Honor, was allocated for capital outlay, and we cannot just simply put it in the MOE class, Your Honor, since big chunk of the supplemental budget, Your Honor, was from the share of national wealth deposited to the account of the city, which has a particular line of items to be used, Your Honor, and burial assistance is not part of it.
Don't you have positions that are yet empty where salaries have already been appropriated and can be realigned?
Your Honor, please, I already computed our savings from January to August, Your Honor, and the amount of it is limited to 17 million. And that 17 million is not enough, Your Honor, for our electricity, and we also have insurance, Your Honor.
But your computation is only from January to August. What about September to December?
Your Honor, that will be again subject to other expenses which we will be spending for the December and November activities, Your Honor, especially during Christmas, Your Honor, which we will be involving again the additional increase of our job order, Your Honor. And I think the remaining part or the remaining months for the PS is not enough, Your Honor.
Perhaps you can still